Aya bianu omunu war. Everyone tonight. I am the Yawa Karamo. I got the War in the kingdom of darkness. Oh, yeah, I was a warrior from one. The Yahweh. Oh, Kalama, okay, it's a very fair one. Okay, I don't know. I need to learn how to make it. 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 I'm gonna play the info now. Play the info God bless you. Shall we with you all? Pray this prayer. So, oh my God, any monitoring agent, any monitoring mirror, anyone that monitoring my destiny, from my father's house, from my mother's house. You evil witchcraft, I command your eye to be blind. As you break this mirror, let this mirror scatter your eye. Let this mirror kill all the occultic man, occultic brother, occultic sister. They are vile, they are holding my destiny. Say, oh Lord my God, pray, 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 pray. Say, any man that refuses to live my destiny, this is the new year. This is the first of this month. He will not live and see the end of this month.